So the next thing we are going to talk about is called cron job. Okay. So cron job is something when I want to schedule a job, okay, on a server, right? Like the same can be a requirement in the Kubernetes also. Like let's say I'm having a container which will be generating a report on daily basis every day at 10 o'clock. I want to schedule it at 10 o'clock, right? I will not be manually going and running the job, or I will not be doing something in that way. Kubernetes also provides a cron option for you. So let me explain the cron concept or cron schedule first, then I will show you how to write the cron. Okay, so cron has 5 stars in it. So this is how you will define the schedule. So the first star represents the minute, the second star represents the hour, the third star represents the day of the month, and fourth star represents the month, and fifth star represents the day of the week. Like for example, if I want a job to be running every day at 10 p.m., okay, cron uses a 24 hours format scenario. So in this case, if I want to provide the schedule as like every day at 10 o'clock, I'll be doing like this, like 0 represent the 0th minute of the 10th hour, and then 10 and star, star, star. Okay. So this will, sorry, not 10, it will be 22. 10 p.m. means 22. So it will be like 22 at 22nd hour, 0th minute, this job will be executed. Okay. Let's say I want this to run on like first of every month at 10 o'clock, then I will provide it something like this. That means on the first day of every month at 10 p.m., this will execute the job. Or let's say I wanted to say like first of every year, I want it to run. So I can keep it like this. So first month, that is January, first day, 10 p.m. this is going to run. Or example, if I change it to 12, it will run on the first, first December of every year at 10 p.m. Okay. Let's say I want to say like this, like I want it to run every weekday. So it will be like 0 represents the Sunday, then Monday is 1. I can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is how I can provide. So in the last column represents the day of the week. If I want it to run on every weekday, I can give like this, or otherwise I can also give it like this also, 1 to 5. So this will run on weekday. Or if I want it to run on weekend, we can say 0, 6. 0 represents Sunday, 6 represents the Saturday. So this way also I can do. Comma and hyphens can be used. And in the same way, there is one more option called slash. Like for example, I want it to run every 15 minutes, then I will configure it like slash star slash 15. Okay. This way, you can configure it to run every 15 minutes. So this is the typical Linux cron format. Okay. So you can just refer the documentation. There are multiple other options also available. Like there is something called question mark, W, and all those things. You can just refer that in the Linux cron syntax. It follows the same Linux cron syntax. So in our lab, what I will do, I will try to schedule a job which runs every 2 minutes so that we can see what it is happening. So let's start writing the cron job. So and cron job dot YAML, and the API version is batch / v1. Just quickly refer that. /v1, good, /v1, and kind is cron job. Thank you. Meta data is cron job, required as cron job, and specs for this is I'm going to give schedule. So there I'm going to give */2. I want it to run every 2 minutes. Star, 5 stars, and job template for template is containers -name test job. And I'm going to use an image called bash. So this image will be good to execute some shell commands. And for that, I'm going to pass command. So on the image, I'm going to run a command, echo, comma, K8s training. Next, I can pass the restart policy. It means when the container is failed, I want it to be automatically restarted. Restart policy failure. So let me save it. Try to apply that to CTL apply -f cronjob.yaml. Yes, the cron job is created. So if I go to my dashboard, there is a cron job got created. And I see the jobs. I can see one job has been executed, and it might have created one pod. If you go to my pods, you can see one pod. And if I see the log of the pod, I can see it is printed Kubernetes training. Okay. This is how you can see things in the UI. And to see the things in the command prompt, the option is kubectl get cron job. So this will print the cron job. Last schedule was 68 seconds ago. And to get the jobs which got executed, you can see get job. There is one job it is done. There is one more option. Any command you can give a watch. That means it will keep on printing what is happening with that particular job. So I want to see what all the jobs are coming live. I can use the -watch option. So let's see whether it is bringing up the, a new job has been created. You can see that. It was executed. So if I want to Control C, it should come out. And if I want to get the pods which are related to a job, let's do that. kubectl get pods hyphen hyphen selector equal to job hyphen name equal to, you can copy paste the last job name. So this is the pod. To get the logs of the pod, kubectl logs this pod name. So it is printing Kubernetes training. So this way you can use it